So we are strapped up, fisted up, rigged up, and we're at the creek again. I had so much fun doing this creek fishing. Today we're gonna go back. We're gonna go an opposite direction and see if we can't get something a little bit different and a little bit bigger than last time. So y'all hang tight. Oh. What's that? What's that? We're gonna interrupt this video. Well, we're gonna ease down. I have seen a few fish, but I have not caught any yet. Got one. Hey, small little rock bass. Look at that little, he's fat though for a little bitty bass. I thought it was a baby brim as small as he was. I'm gonna hold it way out there and make it look bigger. But anyway, first bass on the creek. Little small rock bass. I want something bigger. So we had a little mini fluke on there, and there was a lot of fish chasing it and biting the tail of it. So we went with the good old trusty rooster tail and see if I can get one of them to bite it. Oh, there you go. I got one. I got a little one. Another little rock bass. Oh, there you go. Try to go somewhere, get some bigger fish. Alright, so we are technically at spot 3. Spot 2, we caught some fish and we met a super cool park ranger. And unfortunately, that footage we're not going to be able to put into this episode. We're checking on some stuff, permits, issues, whatever. But he was super cool. He was very interested in the channel and you know how things work. So it was cool talking to him. But anyway, so we're at spot technically 3, and it is raining. So we're going to get to it, try to catch a couple more fish for this video, and hope you enjoy it. Let's go. First cast. Smallmouth. Look at that. Smallmouth. First cast. Good. Little smallmouth bass. Thank you, buddy. Bigger than the few rock bass that we've had. Heck yeah. This water's a little more cooler than the first 2 spots. Oh, there was another one. Got another one. Get out of the rock. Here's another rock bass. I'm so used to catching rock basses. He's got a lot of them. Oh, he's ate up with mites or whatever it's called. The wife has took her water boots off. Oh! Woo! And I was recording, so it got all that. Okay. Yeah, that one's slippery. Like there's no grip to that at all. Whew, man. That'll definitely make it into the script for sure. I told the wife at the second spot, So I'm really surprised that ain't nobody fell yet. And we come to the third spot. And what do? I fall. In the book of Matthew chapter 7, verse 1, judge not that you be not judged, for with what judgment you judge, you will be judged, and with the measures you use, it will be measured back to you. So therefore, what it's saying is, we have to come together as one. Stop judging other people for something that they're doing or something that they've done. If God died on the cross for our sins and He's forgiven us for our sins, why can we not forgive our neighbors? Why can't we not forgive the people that hate on us so much? It says it in the book and it's written in red, so that means Jesus said it, so it's got to be true. Judge not that you will be not judged, for with what judgment you judge, you will be judged. So, there's no sin greater than sin. You judge your neighbor for leaving the garbage out or his clothes he wears or the lifestyle that he had. Jesus is going to judge you when it comes Judgment Day. So I pray that some of these messages will touch you and find you, and if you want to leave some comments, spiritual comments, please do so. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope it's blessed, and I hope the Lord blesses you in many ways. Thank you so much. Till then, we'll see you on the next adventure.